Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. For Punjab and Haryana High Court trial passage 800 words at the rate 80 word per minute. जिस बच्चों की CPT हुई है और जिन बच्चों का अभी CPT हुई है उनके लिए तो काफ़ी अच्छा मतलब ये होता है कि जैसे 15-20 दिन में जनवरी में या हाफ में आपका स्किल टेस्ट के लिए आपको जल्दी से बुला लेंगे। और जो बच्चे CPT में ये कुछ कमी के कारण रह गए हैं, आगे काफ़ी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी आएंगी आपके लिए, आपको निराश नहीं होना है। काफ़ी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी आएंगी, शॉर्ट एंड की तो आती रहती हैं, आगे से आप और भी अच्छे से मेहनत करके ट्राई कर सकते हैं। चलिए हम डिटेल में एट द रेट 80 वर्ड पर मिनट की डिक्टेशन करते हैं। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। एज ए मैंडेटरी प्रोविजंस ऑफ लॉ calls for its pound of flesh and requires to be complied strictly, and it is not being satisfied with offerings of mere substantial compliance of its commands. We will have to adjourn this matter for 6 months and postpone the deliverance to the parties from this deadlock by that period of time. It is well settled proposition of law that a statutory provision, though mandatory in form, can yet be treated as directory in substance. The question then arises whether there is anything in the text for section 13b or its context or purpose or design that calls for section 13b being interpreted as directory. Stop. In our opinion, there are weighty reasons warranting the reading of section 13b clause bracket में 2 as directory. In that context, we must first call attention to the design of the law expressed in its liberalizing tendency of providing relief to the parties on the basis of their mutual consent from their broken marriages. We must remember that this relief is granted by bringing about a profound alteration in the concept of a Hindu marriage from that of sacrosanct to an contract. But that alteration law has definitely set its fact against forcible perpetual of the statutory matrimony between unwilling partners. Next, we must note that this 6 months times fixed by section 13b bracket में 2 is no rule relating to the jurisdiction of the court to entertain a petition filed for divorce by consent. That question of jurisdiction is dealt with by section 13b(1) of the act and must be strictly compliant with. Section 13b is a part of mere procedure. A procedural provision must be interpreted as a hand made to justice in order to advance and further the interests of justice and not as a technical rule. Above all, we should note that if section 13b bracket में 2 is read as a mandatory provision and as applicable to the exercise of matrimonial jurisdiction by the applicate courts, also section 13b becomes totally unworkable. According to the literal reading of section 13b, the courts cannot pass the consent decree of divorce beyond 18 months period from the date of its filing. Full stop. For all the above reasons, we are of the opinion that section 13b of the Hindu Marriage Act should be read as directory only. Section 13b to no doubt cautious the courts of its duty to fight the last ditch battle to save the marriage. If section is taken under section 17, taking in possession and wasting, which are provided in section 16 after the award under section 11, are accelerated and can take place 15 days after the publication of the notice under section 9. Then comes section 17(4), which provides that in case of any land to which the provisions of subsection are applicable, the government may direct that the provisions of section 5a shall not apply, and if it doesn't so direct, a declaration may be made under section 6 in respect of the land at any time after the publication of the notification under section 4 (bracket में A). It will be seen that it is not necessary, even where the government makes a direction under section 17, that it should also make a direction under section 17 (bracket में 4). If the government makes a direction only under section 17(1), the procedure under section 5a would still have to be followed before a notification under section 6 is issued, though after that procedure has been followed and a notification under section 6 is issued, the collector gets the power to take possession of the land after the notice under section 9 without waiting for the award, and on such taking possession the land shall vest absolutely in government, free from all encumbrances. It is only when the government also makes a declaration under section 17 (4) that it becomes necessary to take action under section 5a and make a report thereunder. It may be that generally where an order in made under section 17 (1) and order under section 17 (4) is also passed, but in law it is not necessary that this should be so. It was emphasized that there must be an application of mind by the appropriate government to the facts of the case, with special reference to the necessity of dispensing with the invaluable opportunity of showing cause and being heard against the acquisition consequent upon a section 4 notification. It should be noted that prior to the amendment of the statute in 1923, since the right to file objections to the proposed expropriation of land was no existent, there was no reason whatsoever to refer to the dismissal or disposal section 5a objections. It is advisable, if not essential, to keep the annals of the statute in mind while interpreting its sundry sections. Full stops. स्टूडेंट, इस जैसे ही आपका पीडीएफ चाहिए तो पीडीएफ आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपका टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक मिल जाएगा आपको, वहाँ पे आपको पीडीएफ प्रोवाइड कर दी जाएगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।